Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to get cotton candy fruit and grow a garden step by step. Start by choosing a sunny spot with good drainage and at least 6 hours of daily sun, then test and amend soil pH to suit fruit trees or shrubs. Prepare raised beds or containers if space is tight. Gather quality seedlings or grafted trees and plan a simple watering and fertilizing schedule before planting. Start by picking the right plants for your conditions and taste preferences. Choose genuine cotton candy fruit cultivars and check chill hours and heat tolerance for your climate. Opt for dwarf or container varieties if you lack yard space, and buy from trusted nurseries to reduce disease risk. Also plan companion plants that attract pollinators and improve soil health to boost fruit set and overall garden resilience. Plant with care and follow a simple maintenance routine to help plants thrive. Place trees or shrubs with root flare visible, water deeply to establish roots, and mulch around the base to retain moisture. Prune to shape and remove crossing branches, and use a balanced fertilizer during the growing season. Monitor for pests and disease weekly, and stake young trees if wind is a concern to prevent damage.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.